Make a great choice today with the 2024 S5. The muscular, sweeping lines of pure performance mark the dramatic return of the Audi S5 Coupe. Luxury, innovation, and power equal an experience unlike anything else. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.